Okay, hold him right there. Okay, andyan siya. So, okay, you have to find a safety pin, okay, within his body. Okay, all you girls, you have to get one safety pin. You have to frisk him, meaning kakap-kapan niyo si Patrick. Kakap-kapan mo ha? O diba, nainggit kayo? Kakap-kapan niyo si Patrick, but don't harass him. Alright? On my mark, ladies, find the safety pin of your own. Once you do, take off your blindfold, give it to the coordinators, and you're out of the game. Okay, the last lady who cannot find, nasa harap mo lang siya. I'm sorry. Nasa harap, ang tangkad niya kasi, nasa harap mo lang siya. Okay, the last lady who cannot find, okay, alright, the last lady, if you cannot find the safety pin, it means you're the one, okay? On my mark, ready, get set, you have to press him, go! Touch him, touch him down there, down! Alright, touch him, alright, find the safety pin, she's out, okay! Once you get the safety pin, you're out, okay! Alright! Okay, we have a winner! You're the winner already. Oh my God! You're the winner! You can take off your blindfold. You're the only one left without the safety pin. Your name is? Kat! Ikaw nga, Kat! This is Patrick. Patrick, this is Kat. Oh, naingit kayo, no? Okay, now you have to give the garter. Wait a minute. You have to give the garter. Let me take a picture. You have to give the garter to the winner. Okay, Kat, you have to sit down. At the center. Wow! You know, Patrick, you're so lucky because Kat has long legs. Long, sexy legs. Ano sabi mo? Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday challenge. Yes, but first, you have to challenge yourself because what Martha did, you have to do also. You have to go right there in the center. Sa gitna. Buti, hindi hanggang Alabang ha. Hanggang dyan lang kita dinala. Yeah. Yeah, right there, Patrick. Okay, Patrick, now you have to show your dancing skill. Okay? And dance your way to this beautiful lady right here. Okay, music please. Saan ka ba nagtrabaho si Patrick? Alright, Patrick, shine, running waist. Alright. Oh, teka lang, teka. Ang bilis naman ni Patrick. Patrick, you have to stay right there. Sideways, please. Sideways. Sideways, sideways. Oh, which side? Yes, this side. Okay, mali. The other side. You have to face the legs. Don't be afraid of the legs. Face the legs, okay? Patrick, sideways pa. Yes. Okay, now you have to put the garter on Kat's legs. Slowly, okay? Just slowly. Alright, there you go. Yes, stop right there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, show everybody. The garter is right at the ankle of Kat right here. She has long legs. So, you know how this game works, right? If I ask you, do you want the garter higher? You have to say? Higher! Okay, guys, on my left. Do you want the garter higher? Higher! Come on, Patrick. Yeah, ang kintab ng legs ni Kat. Alright, come on! Alright, stop right there. Okay, nakiinit na si Patrick. Nakakakilig na sa puso, Asa na mami mo? Alright, shake it. Okay, now it's below the knees. Everybody in the back, you want the garter higher? Higher! Come on, put it up higher. Vertically challenging. Alright. Stop right there. Huwag ka na matingin sa kanila. Okay, God. Alright. Post this on YouTube, okay? Okay, stop right there. Everybody She is sexy. Okay, can I have a picture of the couple and the winner? African cat, congratulations. Juicy. Okay. Take a picture. Face your partners. Oh, wait muna.
Kiss na, Patrick.
Face the camera, all of you. Alright, there you go. Form a picture. Come on, cat. Wow, I like this lady. She's really sugar. Gorgeous. Okay, this time you have to face your partners.